This is a fun one. These are super trendy, they're colorful, they're beautiful, they're for any time of the year. That's how I feel. Welcome to Beaded by Malia. So this is the short list of items that you're going to need. Just going to need 4mm beads and 3mm beads. The 4mm beads is the pearl beads and the 3mm is the colorful beads, and I'm separating the pastel colors from the darker colors. And as I always start my videos with measuring your wrist and then marking it down by adding 2 pins to basically the beginning and the end of your bracelet, so you know that there is something to follow. Important to stretch your elastic. This prevents it from snapping, and it also helps with tying the knot at the end because the knot is going to work when your elastic is stretched. Make sure to add an extra inch to your wrist. That helps with ease so it's not choking your wrist. Anywho, the pattern we're following is we're going to do a pearl bead with a pastel bead with a pearl bead with a pastel bead, and that's going to be the continuous pattern. And the colors I chose in this particular order because I think they just really complement each other is I started with the purple pastel, then I did a pearl, then I did the blue pastel, a pearl, pink pastel, a pearl, and then the green pastel, and then I continued with the pearl, the purple, pearl, blue, pearl, pink, pearl, green, and that is the pattern I'm following because I think this combination is beautiful. And as you can see, I have one on my wrist already, and I just decided to do another one, and I'm gonna do a necklace as well because these are so beautiful, these are so funky, they look cool, and I think it's basically for any age, you know. We're going to do a double surgeon's knot because this is the knot that I stand by, and because we stretched our elastic in the beginning, this knot is going to be tight and it ain't going anywhere. It can be finicky at first, but the more you do it, you'll get used to it, and some days will just come as quick and some days you will, struggle a bit, but this knot works and I stand by this knot 100%. We're just going to cut off the axis and then we are done, and this looks gorgeous. Like I said, I'm going to make many more. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you make this bracelet because it's super easy and it looks so cool. And like and subscribe if you do like this kind of content. I'm going to be posting more, you're going to be learning more, I'm going to be learning more, and I'm going to be feeling good because I'm teaching you something, and you're going to be feeling good because you have a beautiful bracelet on your arm. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. I will see you next time.